I'm proud to be a genuine Delta Northerner who sincerely believes in the national interest of our people. I'm proud I proved them wrong today that Delta North isn't for sale. I sincerely thank God for making my colleagues to go my way after proving a point. Thank you, Nnago. Thank you, the entire case of Delta North. Thank you, our great leaders from Delta North. Thank you, our youth and women of Delta North. This person is called Honorable Nnamdi Ezechi. He is the one representing Okwani local government, Ndokwa East local government, and Ndokwa West local government in the House of Representatives, Abuja. He made this post 2 days ago after the meeting that was held in the house of Benjamin Kalu. This man is against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast, and that is what he is celebrating here. He did not even say that he's from Okwani. He said proud Delta Northerner, as if Delta North is a tribe. He said he proved them wrong, that Delta North is not for sale. Who is buying Delta North? If Anioma State is being actualized and zoned to the southeast, we still remain Anioma people, we still remain Okwane people, we still remain Ika people, we still remain Oshimiri and Aniocha people. So who is buying Delta North? He said that he proved a point. Which point? You prove point, say you dey fight the development wey wan come Okwane land, you dey happy say you prove point. Look at this picture here. You see as him dey congratulate Okowa. He and Okowa stand dey take picture. Them and okowa they work together. That's why they are against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast, because now where their principal they go dey. This Honorable Ezechi is from Ndokwa East. Go Ndokwa East, suffer dey that place. Some communities from Ndokwa East not get third road enter the community. For 20 good years, Okwane land not get lights. This one never even do anything possible to make sure say light and development enter Okwane land. Okwane people protested in Kwale community. They were doing light up Ndokwa protest that Okwane land have been for 20 years without lights. As they protest, police come start to dey shoot people, burn so many people bike, bullets touch so many people, start to dey shoot tear gas for your own constituents. So people wey you talk say you dey represent, they suffer. If to say you poor like other people, you no go get this mass come talk say you no want make Anioma State join southeast, because you go dey clamor make we get Anioma State whether in the south or in the southeast, make development enter Okwane land. As you dey fight the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast now, you are fighting the success of Okwane people. I'm so ashamed of you, Honorable Nnamdi Ezechi. As I just see this post where you make, so I dey shame for you. Okwane land not get federal university, we not get state university, we not get light for 20 years, we not get road, we not get federal poly, we not get state poly, we not get federal college of education, we not get state college of education. Nothing there for Okwane land. Okwane land is totally backward. You dey fight the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. Like say the south where you dey don't bring any development come Okwane land. We dey Delta State south. Development on the entire Okwane land. Now south we dey for so many years now. We are in south since 1991. We dey south. No development for Okwane land. Whereas Oshimiri, Aniocha, and the Ika people are enjoying this Okwane land. People where they say they not get crude oil and gas for their land. Okwane land get crude oil and gas pass Urobo land. Yet if you go Urobo land, you gonna say those people they try. How many university Urobo people get? How many polytechnic they get? How many college of education they get? They get light, name it, they get good road. Come Okwane land where get more resources. Okwane land dey backward. Na south we dey for south. But instead of you to reason all these things, check all these things, you dey happy for nothing. You dey disgrace the position wey you dey disgrace Ukwane people wey get sense. I no dey blame you because I know say you no get word of your own. You are just working for your principal okowa. But I have to tell you the fact and the truth that you must hear. If to say you no get any other youth wey dey Ukwane land wey go tell you, I go tell you. We Ukwane people, we are Igbo people. We speak Igbo language. Ukwane dialect is Igbo language. And that is why we Ukwane people, we want Anioma State to be actualized and zoned to the southeast. So that we go dey coexist with Bia speaking people like us. Ukwane people are Igbo people. Ukwane culture and tradition is Igbo. Food is Igbo. Dance is Igbo. Masquerade is Igbo. You dey happy say you oppose the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. Wetin southeast do you? You dey write thank you entire kings in Delta North. Who told you that the Obuzo of Ibuzo is in support of all the things that you are doing? Who told you that the Ugwa and the Fokwanam is in support of all the things you are doing? Who told you that the Obi of Idumujuno is in support of all the things that you are doing? Who told you that the Obi of Ogwash is in support of all the things that you are doing? Who told you that the Onotukus, Onotuanes in Abe community in Ukwane land are in support of all the things that you are doing? Our kings in Oshimi and Anyocha are not in support of all the things that you are doing. You dey write thank you entire kings in Delta North. They tell you say they won't make Anioma State there for South. Because this is how you people will support the wrong narrative. When I go start to dey call on the traditional rulers wey dey Anioma, make people dey feel say they support this thing wey they do. Stop calling on our kings. They are not in support of all the things that you are doing. Our king, they won't make Anioma State come, make it join Southeast, make we coexist with our kind. You want there for South? How many investments will do Ukwane land where people from South get? You and South people na one people. Yet now they suffer pass for Ukwane land. Ukwane person go tell Urobo person say, we Ukwane people, we are not Igbo people. Urobo person go tell and say, keep deceiving yourself. I don't meet so many Urobo people for Abraka. I tell them say, my Ukwane people they talk say they not be Igbo people. These Urobo people they tell me say, Ukwane people they deceive themselves. Say they be Igbo people, we they call them Igbo people. Say the boundary of Igbo land starts from Ukwane land they go. This set of Ukwane people are forcing themselves on Urobo people. Urobo people they push on and they talk say make una go get una states. Have you ever seen any Urobo politician saying that Anioma people must remain in Delta State? They don't say we not be one people. They don't say go and get your states. Go and join your Southeast brothers. You people are one people. Yet una they come up body say una no want join Southeast. You Honorable Ezechi, tell me one big project where you don't carry come Ukwane land. You don't do that for 2 years now. Tell me one thing where you don't do. You don't give Ukwane land light. Now university you give them, now poly you give them. Tell us. The okowa where they follow when okowa be senator representing Anioma people. Did okowa clamor for the creation of Anioma State? No. Okowa not even talk say make Anioma State for South or Southeast. He not even talk pay me. He not even talk about Anioma State agitation. That time where okowa dey senatorial seat, wetin okowa do for Ukwane people? He not give Ukwane people lights. Nothing. Okowa finish senate. Nothing he do for Ukwane people. Okowa come be governor of Delta State. As he be governor, wetin Okowa do for Ukwane people? I'm not talking about Oshimi and Anyocha. I'm talking about Ukwane. Wetin Okowa do for Ukwane people? Wetin Okowa do for Ukwane people? Nothing. When he be governor, Ukwane not get light o. Federal University Ukwane not get. State University Ukwane not get. Eka people get University of Abo there. Oshimiri and Anyocha people get Polytechnic for Washuku. Then they get light. Go all those Ezechime communities, Ezi, Onichuwo. Then they get light. Go Ukwane land, no lights. Pole don't fall finish. You people are just fighting the development in Ukwane land. I don't want to make Ukwane land develop. Because our Ukwane people they call Tinubu is not the problem of Ukwane people. Now the bad decision where you Ukwane leaders they make, now keep Ukwane for where Ukwane they so. Now, Senator Edwoko they agitate for Anioma State to join Southeast. You they fight against the zoning of Anioma State to Southeast. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? Local government chairman where they represent Oshimi and Anyocha people, they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. Not be their fault. Now a person where they fight for. They not get word of their own. And that is why they are doing all those things that they are doing. You be local government chairman, you they represent Ibuzo people. Obuzo of Ibuzo thought say you want make Anioma join Southeast. Obi of Ogwa thought say want make Anioma join Southeast. Ubuluku people want make Anioma join Southeast. And their local government chairman they thought say, you know, make Anioma State join Southeast. This is to make you understand that politicians are not representing their people. That they only represent their belly, their pocket, and their godfather. Anything why you see politician they talk, now wetin in godfather wants in they talk. And that is what that is happening to these politicians that are against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. You now, so many of our Okwane people want to join southeast. You they talk say you don't want to make Anioma State join southeast. Are you representing Okwane people? No. Honorable Ezechi, you know that the slot for a state to be created is for the southeast to have an additional state to complete their region, for them to have the 6th southeast state. You know it. In 1938, our kings in Anioma were agitating for Anioma people to join Eastern region. For 1981, they still do the same thing for Anioma State to join Eastern region. The zoning of Anioma State to the southeast did not start with Senator Nnamdi Ezechi. It started with our ancestors. You people are just doing all these things because on our guys Senator Nnamdi not dey in good terms. So on our one frustrate Senator Nnamdi Ezechi. The southeast are only doing us a favor to get Anioma State and join them because we are one people. Make we take this opportunity, comot Anioma from Delta State, make we comot Anioma from South. All those things wey they benefit from South. If we join Southeast, una go see they benefit all those things. No be oil money. Una go see they benefit from am. If Anioma State still join Southeast, Anioma State is still a Niger Delta State. If to say you get money where they come from Niger Delta, where una dey share, una go see they collect the money. All the benefit that you people are looking for. If we get Anioma State and zoning to the southeast, you people will still get all those benefits. Why are you people fighting the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast? Instead of you to be educating our Okwane people why we need to join southeast, you dey put fire, they fight the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. If to say una talk say una no want to make part of southeast join Anioma, but make we get Anioma, make Anioma State join southeast, fine. Our southeast brothers go give up on that agenda to add Old Olo and the Iyala in Anambra State to the map of Anioma. But this one be say una no just want make Anioma State join southeast. Una want make una frustrate Senator Red, make una frustrate our southeast brothers, make them give up on Anioma State, which is very bad. You why be say your region nice upper pass for Anioma, you not supposed to dey reason this way where they reason so. If to say na like this una wan do am, let's go for a referendum and we will prove you people wrong. All those one they see say some of our Okwane people they talk say they no be Igbo. Una go surprise say majority of Okwane people go vote make Anioma State join southeast. What are we benefiting south? Nothing. I want to make light enter my community Ogume. I want to make light enter my mama community Osisa. I want to make light enter every Okwane community. I want to make development dey Okwane land. I want to make Okwane land grow. Make better thing come for us. You don't want join southeast, una one day for south. South where Okwane dey sense. No good thing dey enter Okwane land. You still want us to remain for south. For this Anioma where we dey now, una wey be Okwane politicians, una no fit do everything possible to be the leader of this Delta North. Make it be say power dey Okwane hand. That is politics. You can't get their own political agenda. Oshimi and Anacha get their own political agenda. What is the political agenda of Okwane people? Instead, other regions for Anioma, they march on our head. Okowa from Ika, 9 they rule the whole Delta North. You Okwane people will get the resources, una they full for under. Because the pains in Okwane land not they touch una. Una not they feel what Okwane people they feel because una get money. It's very bad, Honorable Ezechi, it's very bad. I don't know issue when I get with Senator Nnamdi, but what we need is for Anioma State to be created and so to the southeast, let's coexist with our kind. You want them for south, you know they hear Urobo, you know they hear Isuko, you know they hear Ijo, you know they hear Sekiri, you know they hear Calabar, you know they hear Efik, you know they hear Jagbam. Nothing. We won't follow them, stay for the same geopolitical zone. All we want in Okwane land is development, Honorable Ezechi. Stop playing this kind of politics that you are playing. We Okwane people, we are Igbo people. Ishiagwale.